teachers, judges, and my dear friends. Today, we are presenting a skit on a problem that silently affects our society every day. Corruption. Corruption is not just about taking or giving food. It begins when we choose dishonesty over honesty, selfishness over responsibilities, silence over speaking the truth. Through this performance, we hope to remind everyone that real change begins with each one of us. Presenting our state corruption, the price we all pay. Corruption, a word we all hear every day, in office, in schools, in hospital, and in politics. But have we ever stopped to ask the basic price of corruption?
We need to do some test immediately, but first deposit the money.
Money? I haven't spent everything I had. Please begin the treatment. I will arrange somehow.
I'm sorry, rules are rules.
Rules? My child is not asking for rules. He is asking for a luxury. He is asking for a life.
I cannot do anything without money. Sorry.
We sold everything we had. Our home, our jewelry, everything. But we would not buy the one thing we needed. A little humanity.
ये कौन है?
Sir, I have submitted all the documents. Please approve my pension.
There is a problem.
What's the problem, sir?
The file is moving very slow.
Sir, I am old. I cannot run from one officer to the every day.
Then have the file move very faster.
I don't understand.
You do understand.
इतना भी नहीं पता है।
Sir, this is all I have.
This, do you want your work done or not?
Sir, but this money was for medicine. But perhaps in this country when medicine needs permission.
And somewhere, a person who worked honestly for his entire life was forced to pay what was already his right.
My dear people, I promise jobs, I promise schools, I promise hospitals, I promise roads.
But ma'am, last time also you promised.
And I will promise again.
Where did the money go?
Which money?
The money meant for the road.
The road was made
Where?
on paper.
On paper, roads were built. On paper, schools were improved. On paper, hospitals were constructed. But in reality,
My child studies in broken room.
my village has no proper road. My mother waits months for treatment.
And my child waited for health, but health had a price.
I don't understand politics. I don't understand tenders. I don't one thing. When my father cannot pay, I cannot study. When my parents cannot pay, I cannot get a treatment. When someone steals money for my school, my future is stolen. Tell me, what did I wrong? What did I wrong do? If I was born poor, or was I born in a system where everything has a price?
हाँ वही तो कहते हैं ब्लू फास्ट तो कैसे बोलते हैं
Do you know that today new officer supposed to come?
Oh, where is she?
She's the vacation.
Enough. Corruption is not just the money taken away from the table. Corruption is the meat stolen from a hungry family. The medicine taken away from the sick person. The education denied to a child. A job taken away from someone deserving. The justice delayed for someone helpless. And you say, everyone does it. No, not everyone. Someone has to stop it.
Stop! You think one person can change the entire system?
Maybe not alone, but change never begins with everyone. It begins with one person who says no. Corruption survives, not only because some people take bribes. It survives because an honest person chooses to remain silent. Because we say, it's not my problem. Everyone does it. What can I do alone? But remember, every bribe has a victim. Every stolen public fund has a victim. Every corrupt decision has a victim. And sometimes that victim is a child.
I don't want a country where every future depends on money. I want a country where a poor person can get justice, a sick person can get treatment, and an honest person does not have to prove that he is honest.
The question is not who is corrupt. The question is, what will I do when corruption stands before me? The price of corruption is paid by the innocent. Choose honesty, be a change.